Hi guys, today I have this cluster for job, ignition lock, Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 cc, year 2014, all keys lost situation. Immobilizer data in this case was in cluster. In some Aprilia models it can be in separate IMO box. So key looks like this. It's a ZADI system, you can see here. So if anyone need program Aprilia keys, all keys lost situations, no matter what model, and every other Aprilia models, you can contact me, details under the video. You can send me clusters, ignition locks, immobilizer modules by courier, shipping, post, no matter what option. I can help you with the keys. If you lost it, no problem. All for today. Bye bye, thank you.